A representative of a popular NJ Lash Extensions studio spoke about aftercare for eyelash extensions in a recent beauty blog post. The owner and licensed esthetician shares some tips with her clients after getting eyelash extensions. Avoid picking at your eyelash extensions. By routinely cleaning oil residues, they can be made to last longer. This NJ Lash Studios offers hypoallergenic, cruelty-free products and the proper knowledge and advice regarding eyelash extensions. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. You can learn more by clicking the link in the description.